Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and welcome back to online classes of Iqra First Boys Secondary Schools, a project of Iqra Education System. Dear brothers of class metric, we are going through chapter number 15, An African Village, and in the last video lecture we covered exercise A on page number 57, that was questions and answers. I have already explained to you this chapter along with the keywords with their English and Urdu meanings, and then in two video lectures we covered these probably 14 questions. 2 I gave from my side and 12 are already given in the book. Today in this video lecture we will go through the other reading comprehension exercises. But before we further go ahead with things to study, let's have some fun. I have a question to you people. What belongs to you but is used more by others? What belongs to you but is used more by others? वो क्या चीज़ है जो मिल्कियत तो आपकी है लेकिन आपसे ज़्यादा दूसरे उसको इस्तेमाल करते हैं? Think about it. Meanwhile, we will go through the video and I will give you the lecture on this, the reading comprehension exercises, and in the end of this video I will ask you the question and answer to the question, and then I will answer this. Okay, my brothers, today we will cover exercises C and E. In exercise C, there are two parts. You may open page number 58 in your books, everybody. Open your book, page number 58. Yes, exercise C says find for each word in list A a word or phrase similar in meaning from list B. दो लिस्ट हमें दी हुई हैं, list A और list B. This is how two lists are given, list A and list B in your book, which I have drawn on the board right now. You can see here. So what you have to do, you have to go for the synonyms of words in list A and find out that synonyms in list B. For example, the first word is courtyard. Courtyard. So what could be the synonym found in this list B here for courtyard? You remember courtyard? I told you that people gather, usually people gather in their courtyards in African villages, in houses, and their usual activities take place there. Women folk cook their food, children play, women folk do their other works, and old people or the male people of the house sit there and talk about different things in their leisure activities. So what is that courtyard? Very correct. Compound is the word which is synonym for courtyard. So what you will do is, so you can see I have joined or linked courtyard to compound, which means that courtyard and compound are synonym to each other. Let's go through the second one, that is link. What synonym do you find in list B? What do you think that the synonym in list B is available for the word link? Thick, more than half, 100, join, convenience. Okay, join, very good, correct. The word join is the synonym for the word link here. Okay, so what I've done is I have joined the word link to join. Link का synonym join है या list B में given है. List A के words का synonym list B में मौजूद है. हम इस वक्त उनको मैच कर रहे हैं. This is a matching exercise and based upon synonyms. Based upon synonyms. Synonyms means words with the same meaning. Synonyms are called words with the same meaning. So you can see the word courtyard has the same meaning as the word compound. So in simple words we can say courtyard and compound are synonyms to each other because they have the same meaning. Same as link has the same meaning as the word join. So we can say link and join are synonyms to each other. Or we can say link and join have the same meaning. The third word is dense. You remember the word dense? We discussed about this word in a phrase like dense forest. A forest with so many trees in it, that is called dense forest. What is the word in list B that can be the synonym to the word dense? Yes, very correct. The word thick is the synonym for dense. So what I've done here, I have matched the word dense to the word thick. Clear? The next word is explore. What do you think that the word explore has a synonym in list B? Which word in list B do you think is a synonym to explore? More than half, 100, convenience, to grow, acquaint, or search. Explore. Yes, very correct. Search is the word that can be used as a synonym for the word explore. So explore and search are synonyms to each other. So these are the words explore and search which are synonym to each other. I have already solved 4 words out of 10. There are total 10 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 words are given here. 9 words are given here, and I have solved 4 words with you after discussion. Okay? The remaining 5 words you have to do on your own. You have to match the remaining 5 words with the synonym given in list B. And how you can do it? You can do it by 2 methods. Number 1, based upon your knowledge or your wisdom that which word can be synonym to which word. आप अपनी wisdom, intelligence या अपनी knowledge की बुनियाद पर इनको मैच कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये सारे ही words आपने कभी ना कभी जिंदगी में सुने हुए होंगे, ठीक है? Otherwise, the second method is that if you do not know that what word means what and what can be the synonym to which word or that particular word, कि किस वर्ड का कौन सा सिनोनिम हो सकता है, सेकंड मेथड ये है कि आपके पास अगर एक घर में डिक्शनरी मौजूद है जिसका नाम होता है थिसॉरस। थिसॉरस डिक्शनरी है, ये उस डिक्शनरी को कहते हैं जिसमें वर्ड्स के सिनोनिम्स दिए हुए हों। याद रखिएगा, ऐसी डिक्शनरी जिसमें इंग्लिश वर्ड्स के सिनोनिम्स दिए हुए हों, उस डिक्शनरी को हम थिसॉरस कहते हैं। THESAURUS, thesaurus. Okay, so if you have thesaurus in your home, so you can find out the synonyms to each word. Otherwise, the third method is that you can Google each word for its synonym. Okay, so Google will tell you that what are the synonyms, possible synonyms of each word. अब उस लिस्ट में तो जो लिस्ट गूगल आपको देगा, आप कोई भी जो आपके लिस्ट बी में जो वर्ड्स हैं उनमें कोई वर्ड वो कर लीजिएगा, मैच कर लीजिएगा कि कौन सा वर्ड आपकी इस लिस्ट बी में दिया हुआ है। अकॉर्डिंगली आप ये एक्सरसाइज कर लेंगे। लेट्स मूव ऑन टू एक्सरसाइज सी बी। एक्सरसाइज सी की बी की तरफ चलते हैं। एक्सरसाइज सी का जो ए है वो सिनोनिम गिवन है, जबकि एक्सरसाइज सी का जो बी है वो एंटोनिम, ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स गिवन है। एक्सरसाइज सी का पार्ट बी, 2 lists are given here, list A and list B, and here you have to match the antonyms. In the last exercise we did synonyms, we matched synonyms from list A to list B, and in this exercise we will match antonyms from list A to list B. There are 7 words given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dense, majority, remote, major, independent, interior and export. While in list B, exterior, minor, import, thin, minority, near and dependent. Let's go through this and find it out what are the possible antonyms in list A and list B. I'll start or exemplify you from the last word given here. Export. Export, you know the meaning of export. Anything or goods, ऐसी अशिया which are sold outside and earn revenue on it. ऐसी अशिया जो हम बाहर बेचते हैं, सेल आउट करते हैं अपने मुल्क से बाहर, चाहे वो गवर्नमेंट करे, ऑब्वियसली गवर्नमेंट करती है, गवर्नमेंट इसको सेल आउट करती है दूसरे ममालिक में और उससे जो ज़र मुबादला कमाते हैं उसे रेवेन्यू कहते हैं। तो ऐसी अशिया जिनको हम सेल आउट कर देते हैं वो कहलाती है एक्सपोर्ट। तो इसका एंटोनिम हमने उसी दिन डिस्कस किया था जब मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रहा था। सो व्हाट वर्ड डू यू थिंक इज द एंटोनिम ऑफ एक्सपोर्ट? एक्सटीरियर, माइनर, इंपोर्ट, थिन, मिनॉरिटी, नियर एंड डिपेंडेंट। वेरी करेक्ट। द वर्ड इंपोर्ट इज द एंटोनिम for the word export. Here you can see I have matched the word export to import because we are matching antonyms here. We are matching opposite meaning words here. Antonym means opposite meaning words. So my dear students, I have exemplified you one word here, export and import. The remaining you have to do on your own, right? This is your homework. Do exercises C, part A and part B in the book, page number 58. Write down this homework in your diaries, everybody, and do this work as soon as you finish this video. And now is the time to answer the riddle I asked you at the beginning of this video. What belongs to you but is used more by others? वो क्या चीज है जो है तो आपकी, मिल्कियत आपकी है, लेकिन आपसे ज़्यादा दूसरे लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं? That's very funny. See, one student said, our clothes. My brother, हमारे कपड़े तो हम ही इस्तेमाल करते हैं, ज़्यादा दूसरे थोड़ी। हाँ, वो एक अलग बात है कि दोस्तों में और भाइयों में अमूमन ऐसा होता है कि एक दूसरे से कपड़े मांग लेते हैं, स्पेशली भाइयों में। जब भाइयों में 2 या 3 साल का डिफरेंस होता है तो मोर और लेस साइज एक ही होता है कपड़ों का, जूतों का। तो अमूमन ऐसा होता है कि हम अपने भाइयों के कपड़े इस्तेमाल करते हैं या हमारे भाई हमारे कपड़े इस्तेमाल कर लेते हैं, लेकिन इवन देन फिर भी अपने कपड़े तो ज़्यादा हम ही इस्तेमाल करते हैं ना। And the answer to this riddle, what belongs to you but is used more by others? Your name. आपका नाम। आपका नाम मिल्कियत आपकी है, लेकिन ऑब्वियसली आप तो उसको बहुत कम इस्तेमाल करते हैं। सिर्फ उसी वक्त जब किसी को अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देना हो, अपना तारुफ करवाना हो, तो आप नाम इस्तेमाल करते हैं। अदरवाइज मोर ऑफन अदर पीपल यूज योर नेम टू एड्रेस यू। आपको मुखातिब करने के लिए लोग आपका नाम लेते हैं। तो जितना हमारा नाम दुनिया वाले इस्तेमाल करते हैं, दूसरे लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं, उतना हम खुद इस्तेमाल नहीं करते। So that was a funny riddle. I hope you enjoyed it and you will have fun with your friends, family and relatives. So my brothers, that's all for today in this video session. We will meet again in the next video lecture with some more exercises to do. Till then, you must take exercise, do as much exercise as possible because you have free time nowadays and you can go to your gyms with SOPs. You have to follow SOPs everywhere, in your home, out of your home, and if you are going to gym, over there you must wear a mask, sanitize your hands after every hour, do not touch anything, do not keep any contact of your hands with your mouth or nose, and then do exercise in the gym. Wash your hands when you come back, sanitize it, and take very proper and balanced diet. Take more and more proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. Stay home, stay healthy, stay safe, and take very good care of yourselves. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.